Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to fix a Telegram download that is stuck. So the first thing you'll have to do is go to the actual photo, and then if you're trying to save an image and it's not downloading, all you have to do is go to your settings right here and then go to your data and storage. You want to clear the entire cache of your Telegram right here. So mine is cleared pretty cached up. So sometimes they have a limit right here. Maybe it's already full and you want to reduce that cache so that the Telegram won't actually bug up and actually use less network. So the other thing you can actually do is check right here using if you're using a cellular data, you want to place it into high right here so that it will be quicker. If you're using Wi-Fi, use high also so that it will be quicker. So there you go. That's the first things you can do so that you can actually get the data and storage to go faster right here and download is going faster. So next is you just have to restart the application itself, or you will have to uninstall it, install it, and then check if it works again. But usually the data and storage technique works already at best, and you'll be able to download the image faster and it's not gonna be stuck.